Alice said, how do you recommend an artist find their right audience? And do I need a certain niche or just draw what you feel like? That is a great question. First, I think you want to draw what you love. If you draw because you think someone else is going to like it, it 100% shows in your work. Your work will be so much better if you are drawing what you're interested in. Paint what you love, and then find people who love that same thing. So let's say you like orchids. Is there an orchid group, maybe on Facebook, an orchid forum, that'll allow you to share your artwork? Maybe, maybe not, some don't. For me, I paint a lot of marine life. There are saltwater groups that have certain like Vendor Friday or Vendor Monday where I'm allowed to post. I have prints of this available. So some groups will allow that on Facebook, and I hate promoting Facebook because I hate them. You want to find what you love and then find other people who love the same thing you love. Where would you hang out? So let's say you're really into orchids. Where do you hang out? Do you go to orchid shows? Great. If there's an orchid show, get a booth there. Get your work in front of the people who like orchids. This is one of the ways that you can find your crowd. Dogs. I used to show my Italian Greyhounds, and I was doing a lot of pet portraits. Get a booth at a dog show. Advertise to your friends who are dog show people who also have dog show friends, and they'll share their painting with them, and you get word of mouth that way. Get into those groups where the people who love what you love also are. And that's why another reason I think it's a great idea to paint what you love. So let's say you're really into motorcycles. If you're in a motorcycle group, you know you have an in. You know those people. If you show dogs, if you do agility with dogs, if you're into dog rescue, you have an in with those people because it's what you're already into. And I think that's such a huge benefit to painting what you love because it's going to make it easier for you. You know where those people are. You're one of them.